Name a sound that ruins a moment of romance.
A fart.
A fart. Classic point. Name a sound that ruins a moment of romance.
A burp, Steve.
A burp. Moment of romance.
A door opening.
Shut the door! Somebody open that damn door!
A ringtone.
A ringtone. Moment of romance. Tracy?
Baby crying.
Baby crying.
Falling and breaking on the floor.
So,
Your parents.
Either one saying, stop. What happened?
Miss Diane, you surprising me. First one, shut that damn door! And then, what you mean, stop? No, we in here now. Ain't no stopping. Oh, no, Big Daddy. Ain't no stopping. You finna finish what you started. You ain't talking about some stop. Who you think I am? If either one of them say stop. Name a sound that ruins a moment of romance.
Steve, a house alarm?